Are you struggling to get Laravel to load the correct .env file for your test cases? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when using PHPUnit with Laravel. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your application doesn't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to run tests. It can feel like you're chasing your tail, right? But don't worry, we're here to sort it out together. Here's the situation we're tackling. A user reached out saying they can't get Laravel to load their env.testing file while using PHPUnit. They have their PHPUnit.xml configured, but it still pulls from the default .env file. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out. So what could be going wrong here? Laravel should automatically load the .env.testing file when running tests, but sometimes configuration issues can cause it to default to the regular .env file. Let's break down the possible reasons. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches in your testing process. To begin resolving the issue, the user should ensure that the .env.testing file is correctly named and located in the root directory of the Laravel project. Next, the user needs to verify that the PHPUnit configuration is set to load the correct environment file. This can be done by checking the phpunit.xml file for the correct environment variable settings. After confirming the configuration, the user should modify the testcase.php file to explicitly load the in.testing file. This can be done by adding a line of code in the setup method. Finally, the user should run their tests again to check if the .env.testing file is now being loaded correctly. They can do this by using the dd function to display the app.env variable. Fun fact, did you know that Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell in 2011? It has since become one of the most popular PHP frameworks out there, and for good reason. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that to load the .en.testing file, you need to execute the artisan command with the option nash and env=testing. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests considering whether you're running feature or unit tests. They explain that unit tests typically work with mocks, while feature tests can interact with the database. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your environment files organized and clearly labeled. This will save you time and confusion when switching between different environments. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to get Laravel to load your .env.testing file correctly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Laravel and PHPUnit.